Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxygen gas. We'll explore two accessible methods, the electrolysis of water and the chemical decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. You'll learn the simple science behind each, including the necessary materials and steps. Plus, we'll cover crucial safety precautions to ensure your experiments are both informative and secure. Let's get started. One common way to make oxygen is through the electrolysis of water. By passing an electric current through water, you can split it into its constituent elements, hydrogen and oxygen. You'll need a 9-volt battery, 2 graphite pencils as electrodes, and some salt dissolved in water to improve conductivity. The oxygen gas will bubble up at the positive electrode, while hydrogen forms at the negative, in a 2-to-1 volume ratio. Another simple method involves the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. This common household chemical naturally breaks down into water and oxygen gas over time. To speed up this reaction significantly, you can add a catalyst like manganese dioxide powder or even baker's yeast. This process is quite straightforward and can produce a noticeable amount of oxygen, making it ideal for small-scale demonstrations or experiments. When making oxygen, safety is paramount. Always work in a well-ventilated area to prevent any gas buildup. It's also wise to wear safety goggles and gloves to protect your eyes and skin from chemicals. Remember, oxygen vigorously supports combustion, so keep it away from any open flames or heat sources. Understanding these precautions ensures a safe and successful experiment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.